welcome to another video. This is a really short one. I've referenced my homemade cake release in quite a few videos that I've done recently, and I figured I would just put together a really short tutorial on how I make it. So it's essentially, as it says on screen, it's equal parts of Trex or vegetable shortening with vegetable oil and flour. I tend to use self-raising flour just because I have so much of it, but plain is just as good. You could even probably make this gluten-free if you wanted to and use gluten-free flour. I haven't tried that one though, so if you do try it, let me know how it works out for you. So first thing I do is I put all of my Trex in a bowl, microwave it for about 25 seconds until it's soft but not fluid. I then take a whisk and whisk it all up until it is smooth, and at that point that's when I want to add in my other ingredients. So I'm just going to whack this on a scale and add in my vegetable oil. Now I add it in by weight rather than milliliters, it's just how I've always done it. Again, I don't know how it would differ, so if you do try it that way, do let me know. But I just add in the weight, 250, and then add in 250 of flour. Like I said, I use self-raising flour. And then essentially all you have to do is whisk that together until it's smooth. You could probably use a hand mixer if you wanted, you could probably put this in a stand mixer if you wanted. I just always want to do this quite quickly, so I just grab a whisk and just whisk it together. Make sure you scrape down the sides, don't leave any flour, any oil unincorporated. You want this to be nice and smooth. And that's literally it. It is that easy. I then put this into a Tupperware. Keeping it in the fridge is the best idea. And then it will obviously solidify a bit in the fridge, but you can get a bit out, get it softened, and then use it to line your tins. So that's that. That's my homemade cake release. I'm going to actually go on and use this immediately, so I'm just going to line this tin that I've got. It's a 7-inch tin with some red velvet cake batter, and with a pastry brush you just smear this all over the inside of your tin, all over the bottom, all over the sides. And you do want one of those pastry brushes that has the bristles, not one of the silicone ones, because you just won't be able to smooth it on properly. But once that's on, you can just pour your batter in, bake as normal, and then once it comes out of the oven and cools down, you can flip it right out of the tin, and that's it. There's no baking paper, there's no fussing with cutting circles or strips. That's it. It's that easy. So I hope you enjoyed this little one. Drop me a like, drop me a subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.